And staying with thuggery of netas, this is an incident that we reported on extensively. Thug netas' shameful divisive twist to assault. This is Sanjay Gaikwad. Defends self, blames South Indian owner. Gun neta says South Indians can't give good food. Sena MLA, who was seen assaulting a canteen owner, says South Indians run dance bars, ladies bars. Gaikwad said a Marathi must run canteen. Threatens once again. Fir marunga is what he said. Injects Marathi versus South India venom. Poisonous twist to Gun Neta assault. So he's not just brazening it out, he's also bringing in a region angle here. Talking about South Indians not being able to serve good food.
लाइसेंस भी सस्पेंड हो गया, कार्रवाई हो रही,
हो गया, मैनेजर भी सस्पेंड हो गया।
मैनेजर भी सस्पेंड हो गया। तो
सबसे पहली बात तो आपके माध्यम से जो महाराष्ट्र के देश को बताया जा रहा है कि एक आमदार ने एक वेटर को मारपीट किया है, तो वेटर को मारपीट
वेटर नहीं है जी,
मैनेजर है। और मैं जानता हूँ कि मेरा तरीका गलत था, लेकिन मंजिल सही थी। और
तो मान रहे हैं कि तरीका गलत था।
बिल्कुल, मुझे क्योंकि 2-4
तो आप बोले कि नहीं मैं फिर मारूंगा अगर इसी तरह का गलत किया तो।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर कोई ऐसा करेगा तो मैं फिर मारूंगा, ये भी मैं दोहरा हूँ। शेट्टी, नवीन शेट्टी, ये मेरा दोस्त है, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरा उसका दुश्मन हूँ, लेकिन उसको भी मैंने कई बार बताया आपके खाने की क्वालिटी सुधारिए। वो भी मुझे पूछता था कि कैसा रहा कैसा नहीं। बट साउथ के लोगों का जो टेंडेंसी आज तक महाराष्ट्र के प्रति रही है, देखिए पूरे लेडीज बार, डांस बार, हमारे पूरे महाराष्ट्र के जवान बच्चों को खराब करने का काम, हमारे महाराष्ट्र की संस्कृति खराब करने का काम इन लोगों ने किए। डांस बार, लेडीज बार, ये तो कि हमारे महाराष्ट्र की संस्कृति नहीं है। इसके खिलाफ में तो हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने भी कई डांस बार तोड़े थे, बाला साहब ने, राज साहब ने, सभी ने इसके खिलाफ में महाराष्ट्र में काम किया है। आज वही प्रवृत्ति लेकर ये लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं। इसलिए आज जो विरोधक मेरे बारे में बोल रहे हैं, मेरा कहना है कि भाई मैं महाराष्ट्र के हित की बात कर रहा हूं, लाखों लोगों का मैं जिंदगी बचाना चाहता हूं। आप इनके ये सब छोड़ के आप एक साउथ वाले का समर्थन कर रहे हैं जो हमारी जिंदगी से खेल रहा है।
Vidya is getting in more details in conversation with the MLA in question. Vidya, this is absolutely shocking and shameful. I mean, he's brazening it out. He's also talking about the fact that there is a reason to why this canteen was not working right, because the man in question running the canteen was a South Indian. Only Marathis can do this right, is what he's saying. Only Maharashtrians can do this right. So this is a regional and bizarre sort of a shameful twist also that he's giving to what he did.
In fact, certainly what he's saying, again reiterating, is that he will beat up if he's not getting good food. And the worst is when we spoke to his followers, there were a lot of Shiv Sena party workers there as well. We spoke to them and they also said that probably he should not have beaten, but the food quality, if someone gets a bad quality food, then what should one do? That's the kind of question that even the Shiv Sainiks across his supporters have been saying. But then certainly, the Maharashtra government, as we saw yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis himself had reacted to it and said that this beating up should not have happened. But even then, has there been an FIR registered against this beating up? No complaint has been registered. The Mumbai police has not even taken a suo motu cognizance of this. Apart from that, the FDA ran into action immediately. Now the minister claims that he had given complaints earlier as well, but because there are people taking money, that's the reason why bureaucrats don't take action, is what his allegation in that interview is. And further he says that he's complained earlier, but FDA didn't take an action until he beats up people, and that's one of the reasons why he says that what he did was right. And FDA now finally has taken action and has in fact suspended the license until the some kind of tests are run for this entire the samples that have been collected, they have been sent to the lab. The report will come in the next 14-15 days, and only then will probably something be done if there is something found in those reports. So we'll really have to see what really happens a fortnight later. But then as of now, yes, the license of that entire eatery has been suspended. It's closed for now. People who work there will no longer be able to work at least there for at least a few fortnight or so.
It's absolutely unbelievable. While you tell us that there has been no action taken against this man in question, he's speaking to us and giving interviews and talking about the fact that that this is something that's going to be done again. It's absolutely shameful. Be with us. I'll come back to you in a second. Listen in once again to what he told you earlier.
लाइसेंस भी सस्पेंड हो गया, कार्रवाई हो रही,
हो गया, मैनेजर भी सस्पेंड हो गया।
मैनेजर भी सस्पेंड हो गया। तो
सबसे पहली बात तो आपके माध्यम से जो महाराष्ट्र के देश को बताया जा रहा है कि एक आमदार ने एक वेटर को मारपीट किया है, तो वेटर को मारपीट
वेटर नहीं है जी,
मैनेजर है। और मैं जानता हूँ कि मेरा तरीका गलत था, लेकिन मंजिल सही थी। और
तो मान रहे हैं कि तरीका गलत था,
बिल्कुल मुझे, क्योंकि 2-4
तो आप बोले कि नहीं मैं फिर मारूंगा अगर इसी तरह खाना दिया तो।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर कोई ऐसा करेगा तो मैं फिर मारूंगा, ये भी मैं दोहरा हूँ। शेट्टी, नवीन शेट्टी, ये मेरा दोस्त है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उसका दुश्मन हूँ, लेकिन उसको भी मैंने कई बार बताया आपके खाने की क्वालिटी सुधारिए। वो भी मुझे पूछता था कि कैसा रहा कैसा नहीं। बट साउथ के लोगों का जो टेंडेंसी आज तक महाराष्ट्र के प्रति रही है, देखिए पूरे लेडीज बार, डांस बार, हमारे पूरे महाराष्ट्र के जवान बच्चों को खराब करने का काम, हमारे महाराष्ट्र की संस्कृति खराब करने का काम इन लोगों ने किए। डांस बार, लेडीज बार, ये तो कि हमारे महाराष्ट्र की संस्कृति नहीं है। इसके खिलाफ में तो हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने भी कई डांस बार तोड़े थे, बाला साहब ने, राज साहब ने, सभी ने इसके खिलाफ में महाराष्ट्र में काम किया है। आज वही प्रवृत्ति लेकर ये लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं। इसलिए आज जो विरोधक मेरे बारे में बोल रहे हैं, मेरा कहना है कि भाई मैं महाराष्ट्र के हित की बात कर रहा हूँ, लाखों लोगों का मैं जिंदगी बचाना चाहता हूँ। आप इनके ये सब छोड़ के आप एक साउथ वाले का समर्थन कर रहे हो जो हमारी जिंदगी से खेल रहा है।
All right, so you heard that from Sanjay Gaikwad, the defiant MLA who says that he's going to do it again if required. Clyde Prasto of, in fact, the NCP is now joining us. Thank you so much for your time. This is, of course, the Sharad Pawar faction. I want to begin by asking you, what do you make of the fact that this man is just so brazen? He's not only assaulted the owner of the canteen, he also goes on to give this as, you know, a South Indian kind of a twist, saying that South Indians aren't capable of running eateries. They are more into dance bars and ladies bars, and they are the ones who are spoiling the culture, and that this is what he deserved essentially. He'll do it again if required.
See, Sanjay Gaikwad is behaving like a gunda.
Yes.
And why he's behaving like a gunda is because he's been given the loose end by the government. Till today, it's been more than 24 hours. Every channel is showing how this man is beating up an innocent guy. It's not his fault. If there was something wrong, something was not cooked properly, it was the duty of Sanjay Gaikwad as a public representative to make a formal complaint. He had no business to take law in his hands. He is not above the law. Just because he's in government, just because he's an MLA, does that give him the right to take law in his hands? Nobody is above the law in this land. Remember that. So if he's doing something like this, he has to be pulled up. He hasn't been pulled up. There's no case lodged against him. And he has the audacity to say that if something like this happens, I will do it again. That means he thinks it is above the law. What is the Home Minister doing? What is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, the Home Minister also? What are they doing? Why is the case not lodged against him? And now he's giving it a different color, of a different state, of a different language. All these years when he was there with him, he was, as a friend, he says this, Mr. Shetty is his friend. All this while he never thought of a South Indian angle to this. And today when he's being pulled up by everybody, he goes ahead and says that, these people are doing whatever they're doing. Then why were you quiet all these years? Have you not been in government for so many years? Why were you quiet? Nothing but absolute brazenness, thuggery like you've been showing right now on your channel.
Mm-hmm.
This man is a thug and is only trying to cover up what he has done. This is a violent act. It deserves punishment and he has to be arrested. If the Home Minister cannot do this, that means they have failed in maintaining law and order in the state, which has happened, whether it's a Pune case, whether it's the Worli case, whether it's Badlapur case. The government of Maharashtra run by the BJP has failed to control law and order. And an example that needs to be set is by arresting this man is not being done. In fact, a different example is being set. The
That's
MLA
right.
now goes and takes law. 1 minute, he takes law in his hands. He's being violent. He's beating up people. That means his
Also,
people,
the
his
license
cronies
of the
will think-
canteen owner has been suspended, is what I want to ask you. And once again, we have this narrative being, woven in this controversy as well about how Marathis can do it right. The South Indians in that way are not doing this right. They're, messing around with the culture of Maharashtra. So this narrative again is being brought in by Sanjay Gaikwad.
Sanjay Gaikwad is bringing this narrative only to cover his mistake. What he has done is a violent act. He's trying to cover it.
Okay.
An individual who's running the canteen could be anybody. Yes, it's what the canteen has done or whatever the cooking department has done is wrong. They cannot serve stale food. But that does not mean it allows anybody to take law in their hands. There is a process, there is a system. The Food and Administration Department is part of the Maharashtra government where this MLA belongs. All he had to do is give a written complaint or talk to the Food and Administration Department.
Okay.
How can he take law in his hand? And the failure of the Home Department to book this person, because it's been more than 24 hours this video is going on and nothing has been done. So this man thinks he's invincible.
That's right.
He'll continue to do it brazenly.
All right. We're done.